Hey guys, here's Sebastian Ribeiro, and today we're gonna talk about the Wam. The Wam is a classic high-performance board with squash tail. It's available in 3 sizes: 5'6", 5'8", and 5'10". This board works really good in all kinds of conditions, from small waves to big waves. For 2020, we moved the wide point forward, made it smaller and wider. We did the tail narrower with more curved outline. It comes on the bamboo construction with inserts so you can use with foot straps or strapless. I can really trust this board when I'm doing super solid bottom turns, but it's still really easy to do top turns and release the fins. If you are looking for a unique all-around board, this is the board for you.